Now, children, in the last video, I had already explained you all the entire chapter. Now we will be solving the back exercises. So come to page number 54. First of all, we will do filling the blanks. So children, write the answers in the book. The significant accumulation of water in one place is called it is water body. Okay. So again I am repeating, the significant accumulation of water in one place is called a water body. Second is dash covers 74% of the earth's surface. So the second one is oceans. Oceans cover 74% of the earth's surface. Now come to the next. Dash is the deepest part in the Pacific Ocean. Dash is the deepest part in the Pacific Ocean. It is Mariana Trench. Okay, write the Mariana Trench. Coming to D, the smallest ocean is Arctic. Okay, so the D one is Arctic. E, the Southern Ocean is also known as the Dash Ocean. So the Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. It is the Antarctic Ocean. Now F is Dash Strait connects the Arctic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. So the F1 is Bering Strait. It is Bering, Bering. Now children, coming to the G, now children, let us see the G1. So, Dash Sea is the largest sea of the world and it holds hundreds of islands in its water. So, the G is South China. South China. H1, the 5 great lakes of USA include Superior, Lake Huron, Lake Michigan, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. Again, I am repeating the H1, Superior, Huron, Michigan, Erie, and Ontario. Now we come to I. Acid rain is a water pollution caused by dash pollution, air. In I you will write air. Then J. River dash also has religious significance for Hindus. So the J is Ganga. Okay, it is river Ganga. Now children, we move to match the following. Sewage. The first one is causes water pollution. The first is causes water pollution. Now second is Bering Sea. It is northern extension of the Pacific Ocean. So the second one is northern extension of the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Third is Lake Victoria. In Lake Victoria, it is largest tropical lake in the world. This is the third one. Largest tropical lake in the world. This is the third one. Fourth, Sorrow of China. Okay. Fourth is River Huang. Fourth is River Huang. Then E, longest river. You will write River Nile. The fifth one is River Nile. With this we come to the end of matchups. Now let us solve right, true and false. Okay, T for true and F for false. Now see the first one children. A marginal sea is a shallow sea that covers central areas of continents during periods of high sea level that result in marine transgressions. This is true. Okay. So the first one, A, is true. Next, Lake Onega is one of the 5 Great Lakes of USA. It is false. See the C1, St. Anthony is the only waterfall of the Mississippi River. That is true. D, the Indus River has a rich biodiversity. Again, it is true. Then, Murray River crosses 3 states in Australia. It is true. Then, ocean water is salty. Again, it is true. Pacific Ring of Fires has the maximum number of active volcanoes. It is true. Bering Sea separates Siberia and Alaska. Again, it is true. North Sea is a part of the Pacific Ocean. It is false. North Sea is a part of Pacific Ocean. False. Caspian Sea is an inland sea. It is true.